Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the SoundPeats Space headphones. These are over-ear headphones that promise great battery life and solid sound quality, but they also come with some notable drawbacks. Let's see how they stack up in real-world use. Starting with the design, the SoundPeats Space headphones sport a premium look with a predominantly plastic build that feels quite sturdy. They come in several attractive color options and feature soft leather padding on the headband and ear cups for comfort. During long listening sessions, the controls are tactile and responsive, although it's disappointing that there's no included carrying case. In terms of features, these headphones pack in quite a bit for their price. They offer Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity with support for SBC and AAC codecs. The SoundPeats app provides options for ANC, EQ adjustments, and a game mode for low-latency audio. However, the app itself is reported to be buggy, often crashing during use. Moving on to sound quality, the SoundPeats Space headphones deliver a sound profile geared towards bass enthusiasts. The bass is punchy and well-defined, making it great for genres like hip-hop and electronic music. However, the various EQ presets outside of the classic mode tend to degrade audio quality, which is a significant drawback. One of the major letdowns of these headphones is their ANC performance. Despite being equipped with ANC technology, it performs poorly compared to competitors in the same price range. External noises easily penetrate, and the effectiveness of ANC is inconsistent across different environments. On the bright side, the transparency mode works surprisingly well, allowing external sounds to be heard clearly when needed. Now, onto battery life, which is a standout feature of the SoundPeats Space headphones. They boast an incredibly long playback time of up to 123 hours on a single charge. Although this decreases significantly to about 61 hours with ANC enabled. Quick charging is also supported, with just a 10-minute charge providing up to 12 hours of playback. So, should you consider buying the SoundPeats Space headphones? They excel in battery life and offer a comfortable design with solid sound performance in certain scenarios. However, the issues with ANC, call quality, and the unreliable companion app are hard to overlook. If you prioritize long battery life and can live with these compromises, they might be worth considering. Otherwise, alternatives like the Anker Soundcore Space 1 or One More Sonoflow might offer a more well-rounded experience for a similar price. That wraps up our review of the SoundPeats Space headphones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about these headphones or if there are any other products you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.